There you got it, YouTube. Google Translate says them in Xhosa means Israel. Now, that is a big coincidence because if you just type in there, them, it says Israel. I don't understand it either, but just go on Google Translate and you do it for yourself. Okay, look at the picture there. I type in is for them, and then it says that other word means is for, and then for Israel. Ain't nobody said anything about Israel in English. So on the left hand side is English, on the right is Xhosa. Now look at the Xhosa people. Maybe that's something that Google knows that we don't all know. That even the dress code of these people, it's according to how those Jews, the fake Jews in Israel, are copying. So those fake Jews in Israel right now, they're not the real deal, but they know it, and they copied the people that they know exactly who the real deal is. But now, I just wanted to point out the Google Translate. Now I don't know whether it's a misprint, but it's a really strange misprint. That if in Xhosa them only refers to Israel, it's just Israel. You say them, Israel. Who are them? Who are Israel? I mean, how does Google Translate make a mistake? It's not a mistake. Google Translate knows them is Israel. Okay? I just wanted to share that with y'all. Have a good evening.